You can see I have the manifold spacer right here, the hardware, studs, washers, and then I have a gasket. Which one look better? This or this? This or this? This one just gives off like a better look, a much more cleaner, better look. And it really just set it over right there. You know what I'm saying? I mean, especially with the coupe being discontinued, you know what I'm saying? You get that classic Honda badge. And then, I mean, it just sets it apart. It's just something different. Not just the regular old logo like everybody else. You know, we're gonna throw that out. All right, so I had these things for a minute, and I just haven't even put them on. I had them since like December. But y'all think I should put them on though? They got like the burnt tip and then like the carbon fiber around them. I like them, but I don't know how it's gonna look on there. It might look sweet. See, the stock ones is more like an oval shape, and then these more round. Like as you can see, it's like slightly bigger, and that's just because these are oval. But if I do put them on, that'll mean I'll have to cut these off, because they welded onto the pipe right there, and then these just bolt right up. So like, you know, this could end up falling off or whatever. So hopefully y'all can hear what I'm saying, because I did modify my GoPro case. The microphone was actually being covered up by the case, and the actual hole for the microphone was in a whole nother spot. So hopefully y'all can hear it right here. But yeah, man, as you can see, I'm driving right now. I do gotta take the check engine light off. Sometimes I do get it because I do got the precats on. So if you're thinking about putting the precat deletes on, you will get a check engine light sometimes. If you let the car warm up, then it shouldn't come on. But because I didn't let the car warm all the way up, it came on. As y'all can see, I do need me an alignment. I might end up getting one probably sometime the end of this week or next week. I don't know yet. But I got new wheels coming too. No more sport rims. Right now I got my stock rims on, the stock silver rims that come with the coupe. I got those on. At first I had the Accord sport rims, the 2016 2017 Accord sport rims on, and now I'm actually getting some new rims. I have 2 of them. I just got to get the other 2, and then I got to get some tires. And yeah, man, we'll be in business right there. But look at the steering wheel. I really need to get this situated. But let me let y'all hear this exhaust. I'm on some back roads. I don't even really know where I'm at. I just be finding these back roads too. Like, I didn't even know these was like around here for real. I'm surprised that I found them. Ooh, look at that Q60. Really should not be doing this with my alignment like this.
A few moments later.
Got the OBD2 connected so I can read the codes or clear the code. I already pretty much know what it is, but I'm gonna show y'all. So whenever you put precat deletes on, if you don't if you don't deactivate that O2 sensor, this is what you're going to get right here. You're going to get codes like a PO138, but it's always going to say O2 sensor circuit high voltage bank 1 sensor 2, something like that. And what you have to do is you have to deactivate them so you don't get the codes. For some reason I haven't deactivated mine. I'm gonna just go ahead and clear this code right here so I can get rid of, you know, that ugly check engine light right there. You know, nobody like check engine lights, but we're gonna clear it right here. Oh, we should be good. We have the manifold space over here. Then we got the hardware, you know, some studs, washers. Then I have a gasket. Got the battery disconnected. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just unbolt these bolts from the throttle body, unplug this, then take off the top plate, and it'll be some bolts under there, and then I'll be able to remove the intake manifold. Okay, so I just put the manifold back on, and I got the spacer on right there, as you can see, right there. Then I just gotta bolt everything back up, and we should be good. So I didn't get no footage of me actually putting the intake manifold spacer on, just because I didn't have nowhere to set the camera up at. There wasn't no space for me to put it anywhere. Like when you put it on, like you really gotta adjust it and all that, and I had to kind of like get up in the engine bay to actually like put it in there and like line the gasket up, line the spacer up, and then put the manifold back on. So after putting the intake manifold spacer on, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I didn't feel much of a difference, you know, low end or top end. It didn't seem like it made a difference. Maybe it did, I don't know. One day I'm gonna try to get some tests. As of right now, as far as like what I feel, I don't really feel, I guess maybe like from like a 20-year-old, maybe it's a difference, and that's like a slight maybe, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't think it really did anything. If anyone asks me, is it worth it? I would just tell you, you know, you have to try it for yourself. I mean, the mod is only like $130, I believe. It's like $130. So, I mean, you're not really losing out on too much money. But, I mean, then again, $100 is still $100, and you can use that towards something else. 40p, turn the econ off, turn eco mode off. Bruh, I'm chilling, bruh. It don't need to come off, man. It ain't even that serious. Some of y'all be like, oh, man, turn it off. It's gonna make a big difference. It ain't even gonna make a big difference. Shut up. It ain't even gonna make a difference. And I proved that plenty of times that it doesn't make a difference. As far as how the car feel, yeah, it makes a difference, but performance-wise, no, man. Maybe from like a road race, maybe it'd make a difference, but a couple of the road races I've had, it didn't make, you know, a difference. I didn't see much of a difference. So I did a little bit of research. I don't think I need an alignment. I think my steering wheel is just off center. So what I got to do is, you know, lift the car up, take the wheels off, and then it's like a nut under there that I gotta unloosen and then adjust it and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try that and see what's up. If not, my man all the way on my side of the road, bro. What the hell? What the hell, bro? Should I go straight or should I turn? Should I straight or should I turn? Should I go straight? Turn? I'm gonna turn. Turn right here. Turn right here. Hello. Hello. Oh, that was an 8th gen Accord. I wonder if you watch my channel. You know what I need, man? I need some darker tint. Hey, I want y'all to comment below. Do y'all think I could put tint over tint? So like if I go to a shop and have them put more tint over this, you think that'd be a good idea, or like would it just mess it up? Like it wouldn't even last long. I don't even think it'll last long. I probably shouldn't do that, but I think I might do it. I think I might do it. And then I also, one thing, matter of fact, I'm stuttering. I'm over here stuttering. One thing I should do though, I should tint my windshield. That might actually make my side tint on the windows a little bit darker, because I think all the light be coming in from the windshield. And, you know, I got light interior, man. I got the two-tone, you know, the two-tone leather. This stuff is crazy, bro. Have you never seen this in person? Bro, this is a nice, you know, color. Black and tan. That's nice. That's nice. So I know some of y'all already seen it from my post a couple days ago, but look at these, bro. Look at this right here. So these are my two front tires. This is the tire that was on my driver's side, and then this was on the passenger side. Both of them pretty bold, but this one right here, man, this one right here looking like a whole slick, man. When I took it off, it looked real sweet, but if I turn it around, because I was driving on the Beltway, and it just blew out, but I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. This is what you see. That's crazy, bro. And that just comes from you not changing your tires or rotating them. But then again, I didn't even have these on for that long, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, these tires was pretty cheap. These was like no more than like $80 a piece, so they weren't really, you know, expensive tires. And just make sure you rotate your tires or change them out before they get like this. In my case, I was supposed to change them out before they even got like this, you know, due to just how I be driving. Y'all seen the videos, my 25 pulls, just any of my pulls, man, like this is what it does to your wheels. So I was supposed to change them out, but oh well, I got new wheels coming, so y'all stay tuned for that. And then another thing, these wheels was pretty heavy. Like all around with the tire added, each wheel weighed over 60 pounds. My new wheels, they should weigh around like 52, no more than like 53, 54 pounds. So that's like about 6 to 7 pounds off of each corner. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I got, but y'all stay tuned. I got new wheels coming. But with all that said, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. One thing I want to say is thank you all for 2,000 subscribers, man. Right now we at 2,086. Once I post this video, we might be at like 2,090. Probably tomorrow I might be at like 2,100, but we're growing pretty rapidly, man. So I just want to thank all of y'all for watching, for all of you subscribing, liking the videos, commenting and everything. I really appreciate that. And, you know, let's keep going up. Let's keep going up. 2020 is the year, you know, even though COVID-19 stopping some of us. I know I can be better at posting videos. I kind of been slacking. I need to get better. But, you know, we got to keep grinding, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Do whatever you got to do. But this your boy 40p, man. And I'm out.